Today, I'm going to show you how to create Pepper Up Potion, a cure for the common cold. Careful, it may cause steam to pour from your ears. Okay, so to make our Pepper Up Potion, we will need 1 glass bottle, some styling gel, and I like the kind that you can get at the dollar store, a cup and spoon for mixing, a disposable piping bag or a Ziploc bag, some orange food coloring, I'm using the gel kind, some yellow and orange glitter, some black cording for embellishment, and our label printed on sticker paper, and the link for this is in the description down below. Let's get started. Okay, so this potion's pretty easy. The first thing we're going to do is put our gel into the cup, and then we're going to add our orange food coloring. And now that we have our gel all mixed together, we're going to add our glitter. Okay, so for this, we're going to do a mix of the orange glitter and the gold glitter. And now that we have our glitter all mixed in, we're going to put it into our piping bag. And now that we have our piping bag filled, we're going to snip the end and place it in our bottle and fill it up. And then we're just going to cork it up. And we're going to add our label. And again, I print my labels on sticker paper just so it makes it easier to put it on the bottle. You could definitely use glue or Mod Podge or something like that if you'd like to. I just find this to be a way easier method. And the sticker paper lasts a really long time as far as printing goes. I can get hundreds of labels printed before I run out of paper. And then I go around the outside edge of my label with a corresponding marker just to get rid of any white edges. So we're just going to peel the backing paper off and place our label. And now I'm going to embellish the top of my bottle with my black cording. And we are going to make a U. And then capture that U. And then once you get a few, you can kind of pull the bottom up to level it out. And finish wrapping. And then just put your end through the loop and pull down on the bottom string of your loop. And it will pull that behind. And cut it flush. And once we finish our cording embellishment, there you have it. Our Glover Hipworth's Pepper Up Potion, Cure for the Common Cold. This will be a great addition to our potion prop collection we've been making along the way. So if you like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.